Ready to unlock super cheap calls and data with your new Lebara SIM? Let's get it activated. First, pop open your Lebara SIM pack. Inside, you'll find your new SIM card and some helpful information. Be careful not to damage the SIM. Carefully detach the SIM card size that fits your phone. Most phones use a nano SIM, the smallest one. Gently push it out. Now, power off your phone. Use the SIM ejector tool or a paper clip to open your SIM tray and insert the Lebara SIM. Make sure it's correctly seated. Turn your phone back on. It should automatically detect the Lebara network. You might see Lebara or Vodafone. Lebara uses Vodafone's network in your status bar. Next, you need to make a short call to activate your SIM. Dial 5588 and follow the voice prompts. It's a free call and usually takes just a minute or two. Alternatively, you can activate online. Visit the Lebara UK website or download the Lebara app. Follow the on-screen instructions, usually requiring your SIM card number and other personal details to register. And that's it. Your Lebara SIM should now be fully activated. Enjoy your new mobile service.